Well, when you combine variables of my bike gets between 31 and 80 miles per gallon, that means the tank might last 149 or 377 miles. You combine that with, I don't want to plan my routes gas station to gas station, then you end up with the Rotopax container. If you do the math on the miles per gallon that the display says, I should be able to make it home, but I can't. Surgeon, running out of gas, so here I am. I was so close to the next gas station. 10 more miles and I would have made it, which, if I go by the miles per gallon the bike is saying, compare it to my chart with how many gallons are in the bike, I should have easily made it to that gas station, but I didn't. I hate these eco bullshit spring-loaded evaporation canister crap nozzles. It's a sealed container. Why do I need to have a spring-loaded whatever for the 15 minutes that I'm filling it or emptying it in a month? Well, yeah, a lot of fumes are going to escape between picking it up off the ground and putting it in here. It's a thing about Rotopax. It gives you plenty of time to think about how it's a great product when you need it. But it's also a really shitty product because of government regulation. There we go. Hello, Kory the editor here with 3D print noise instead of wind noise. The reason I thought to record this video was every once in a while I get some crap about my fake adventure bike with the handguards and the skid plate and the spare gas. Oh, you going on an adventure after work? Yeah, actually. Usually, what I like to do is just go wander around, and if I find a dirt road going off into a prairie area, or if I find some minimum maintenance road with a washout and a creek running through it and rocks, I don't have to worry. I'm ready. I can just go through it. Or if I'm on that same road and there's a tree down, I have a rope saw. I can get rid of that branch. So yes, I am going on an adventure after work. You know, these guys that ride their Harleys 3 times a year on nice days, don't listen to them. You know, ask them what adventures they've ever been on. You know, flip it around on them. Go ride your own ride and have fun. It doesn't matter if you don't understand someone's modifications, because they're probably there for a reason, right? All of mine are. Go out and enjoy the ride.